Okay, January 22, 11 degrees out, cold, snow. It's toasty inside though. Take a quick walk around side. Careful I don't slip and break my ass. It's kind of a wild pattern in the ice. Something I'd never be walking on. It is quiet. Very quiet. Okay, there's one spigot. Side spigot. And something that never stops. And that's the electric box. 2974. A lot more than before. Drywall. Mudroom. Bathroom one, or bedroom one, sorry. Good size, nice closet. Bedroom two. Lexi's barking. There's the big bathroom. Shower unit. Low enough for the old folks go in.
These closets are bigger than ours.
Yep. Hi, Lex. Lex! Lexi! Hey! Heater. Okay, kitchen area. Kitchen cabinets. All closed in. That'll be Knotty Pine. Cellar. Basement, whatever. Still a beautiful view. It's gonna be a lot of good times will be here. Coming up to the loft area. There's enough room here for another bedroom, for crying out loud. Upstairs bath. shower tub. One for the little kitties get washed up in. Good linen closet. That's a real big linen closet. Okay. Bedroom number 3. Closet. Kind of a small closet, but it'll do. All you're hanging is your vacation stuff anyway. Good view. Need the 4-wheel drive to get up here. And bedroom number 4. This will be big enough for a queen size bed and some bunk beds. Another smaller closet, but that'll do. Hopefully the bunk beds will fit right there. Or if not, we'll figure it out. In the loft area, look at that view. Ooh. Unbelievable. I'd love to know what the temperature is with just that one heater in here.
She so wants to go downstairs.
You can. I'll go down here. Alright, let's see, you got the plumbing in, you got waste pipes. Is there a well pressure pump or pressure tank back there? Pretty good storage.